This cleaner production mostly taken place throughout the business processes of organizations or enterprises. Even can be government service sector, whatever, even banks, hospitals, whatever. There are similar processes, okay, like business process. Yeah. So unless you understand that, you cannot figure out solutions for environmental management and clean production. Understand? So it is very essential to know and to understand and to sense how a business process would be. Yeah. So it is very, very important. So this one, if I move further a step, so business process and even the process innovations, okay, that is very important, business process innovations. So today business process is not the tomorrow one, okay. Yesterday business process is different from today's one, okay. So understand business process. And then even you can have business process innovations. I will put that in a different box. Okay. So business process innovation also very important. Very important, because that's why. So when you need to apply this knowledge, so you have to have this knowledge. It is very essential. Okay. No knowledge, you don't know how to apply. Okay. So those are essential exposures. So next time when you go for your training, you know the purpose of, okay, putting the organization chart. There can be more purposes, but the fundamental is to understand the business process. Yeah. Okay. Let's say, I don't know whether this is too much for you or not, but I believe this should be okay. Yeah. So if you are going for a startup, yes, no matter even a single person doing it, you must outline the business process. Upfront means in advance. Then your business is well organized if you can outline the business process upfront. Okay. Even you can have the organization chart, but one person is working here. But it's like an organization. So you are it is very dangerous, signals going out on and off. Yeah. So that's why organization chart. So even one person working. One person working. Yeah. When you have the business process, you have the business process innovation. Okay. This is a background preparation. No? I believe you will appreciate this awareness. So the other important things about the business process is other important point for the business process is, let's say, you need to present your business proposal for financing. Okay, present your business proposal or plan or proposal for financing. What do you need? You need the business process. You need a business process. It is very, very important because this is the right opportunity, right time. You are very young adults with some good exposure and you are going out after this year, graduating, okay, for new ventures. So you can have big mindsets, big plans. When you have understanding about this, okay, of course, this has the connection with cleaner production. That's why we are talking about organization charts and the business process and what these are. And you should feel that these open up, okay, lot of avenues for you. Even you can make business miracles. If you are smart enough, if you have this upfront knowledge and very good business innovation mindset, yes, you can create business miracles. I will give you an example after that. Business miracles. Okay. So don't think small. Yeah. Don't think small, but you can think big. Okay. So I will leave that story. I will share that story at the end of this presentation. Okay. Or today, end of the session will be that sharing of the story of a business miracle. Okay. I hope you can be patient till then. Okay. So you will be inspired a lot out of knowing that. Just knowing is enough. So this business process, business plans, organizations, you can have this imaginations of this. So you will be the CEO. Yes. Yeah, one person. You will be the office boy also. Yeah. But it's a huge organization. Have this mindset. Yeah. So this will come into realities sooner, not later. Because enterprising students, it is an asset to the nation. Yes, and we need entrepreneurs. Okay, we need entrepreneurs. Okay, so technologists can be entrepreneurs. manufacturing, food, and even the management, managers, engineering, industrial management also can be entrepreneurs. All have the huge potential to become entrepreneurs. So these are the goals you should have while learning and getting enriched out of joining these sessions, not only for my module, but for the other modules as well, because every day after learning from this sessions, from any lecturer on any module, you should ask yourself, what did I take out of today's lecture for me and for the future, not only for me, but for the society and the nation? Yeah. Think big. You need big. Yes, you need to do big. Okay. So imagine you are big guys. Okay. That is very important. You have this great potentials to be big guys. Yes. Yeah. You can be big guys, but still you can be small. Yeah. Those who are small but big guys, they can grow bigger and bigger because they have the capacities to bear that magnificence. Okay. So that's how building the capacity is no joke. Yeah. So you have to learn everything. So lucky this time you have this kind of subjects like environmental management, cleaner production, sustainable consumption and production. These are very important subjects to bring you some maturity. Okay. So now let's start about outlining a kind of organization or departments related to a business process.